Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about NEET biology questions, MCQ questions. Are you a NEET student? Must follow this video. Okay. Here 15 most predicted biology MCQ question will be discussed. Also solution and discussion are here. Okay. Today the topic is chapter 2 class 12 NCERT biology for NEET exam. Okay, the topic is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay, let's start this video and the most predicted MCQ questions for this year. Okay, first question I have selected here, match column A with column B. Okay, the column A, in column A here dithequous, second microsporogenesis, third tapetum, fourth multinucleated and dense cytoplasm. In column B they are having two theca in single lobe, in B nourish developing pollen, in C tapetum cell, in D formation of pollen grain. So at first I will discuss about the matching and the solution. Dithequous. Dithequous means having two theca in single lobe of anther. Second, microsporogenesis. Option D, formation of pollen grain is called microsporogenesis. Option 3, tapetum, nourish developing pollen. Fourth, multinucleated and dense cytoplasm, means tapetum cell. Tapetum cells are multinucleated and they have the dense cytoplasm. Okay, the options are here A, B, C and D. What is the right answer? What is the right option, guys? Please predict what is the right answer. Right answer is option A, that I have already discussed. Right option is A. Okay. The second question that I have selected, before going to second option, also I have given here the reference page number of NCERT biology class 12, page number 21. You can also read and you can also gather the knowledge, okay, about these questions. The second question is, microspore tetrad is a four-celled diploid stage to form four pollens. B, four-celled haploid stage to form four pollen. Four-celled haploid stage to form thousand of pollen. Single cell haploid stage to form four pollen. Also we know that in previous videos I also discussed the microspore tetrad, and here I also discuss what is the right answer. So guys, let's see the right answer. Right answer is option A, four-celled diploid stage to form four pollen. Okay guys, right answer is four cell, because microspore tetrad means four cell are here, and from microspore tetrad four pollen grains will be released or will be formed. Okay, the reference page number, you can see the reference page number of NCERT biology for class 12, page number 22. Okay guys, next question is, which statement is or are true about pollen grain? First statement, 25 to 50 micrometer in diameter, outer layer intine is made by organic material sporopollenin, which protects pollen from high temperature, strong acid and alkali and enzymatic degradation. Third statement, inner layer exine made by cellulose and pectin. Fourth option causes allergy. Fifth option 50 to 55% angiosperms release two cell stage pollen grain. So what is the right statement or what are the right statement? Each and every statement I will discuss here. First, 25 to 50 micrometer in diameter pollen. Naturally, pollen's diameter is 25 to 50 micrometer. Diameter is 25 to 50 micrometer. It's right option. Okay, it is right statement. Normally, the diameter of pollen grain is 25 to 50 micrometer. It is right statement. Okay. Outer layer intine, it is wrong because outer layer is called exine. Third statement, inner layer exine, it is wrong because inner layer is called intine. Fourth option, causes allergy, it is right statement. Fifth statement, 50 to 55% angiosperms, it is wrong because 60% of angiosperms release two cell stage pollen grain. Okay, so there are many options: option A, option B, option C, and option D. So what is the right option, guys? Right option is option C. 1 and 4 statements are true. Reference page number is NCERT Biology for class 12, page number 23. You can read and you can understand about the question and what is the right answer that I have said. Okay. Next question, question number 4. Match column A with column B. Here in column A, first option is bee pollen, second option is rice and wheat pollen, third option is Rosaceae, Leguminosae and Solanaceae pollen, and fourth option is pollen bank. In column B, first option is viability for months, second option is minus 196 degrees Celsius liquid nitrogen, third option is food supplement, and fourth option is loss viability within 30 minutes. Okay. Now I will discuss about the matching. Pollen B, it is a food supplement, and rice and wheat pollen loss viability within 30 minutes. Rosaceae, Leguminosae and Solanaceae pollen viable for months. Pollen bank, that is matched with minus 196 degrees Celsius liquid nitrogen, means cryopreservation. So in pollen bank, cryopreservation is used, and here the pollen grain is preserved for long times. Okay. Here the options are here, many options are here. So what is the right answer? Right answer is option A. Already I have discussed the matching. Okay. For more reference, you can see the page number NCERT Biology for class 12, 24. Page number 24. You can read and you can understand what is the right answer. Next question. Question number 5. When there are more than one pistil may be fused together, is said option A monocarpellary and syncarpous, B multicarpellary and apocarpous, monocarpellary and syncarpous, option D multicarpellary and syncarpous. Here I will discuss about the each and every option. Monocarpellary means only one carpel is present here, and syncarpous means they are fused. Multicarpellary means there are many carpels, and apocarpous means they are not fused. Monocarpellary means only single carpel is here, and syncarpous means fused. Multicarpellary means more than one carpels, and syncarpus means fused. So guys, you have understood that what is the right answer? Right answer is option D. Multicarpellary and they are fused. Okay. For more information, you can see the NCERT Biology class 12 page number 24. Okay. The next question is female gametophyte is originally female gametophyte. What is female gametophyte original? Actually, what is the female gametophyte? Okay. Actually, what is the female gametophyte in flowering plants? Okay. First option is megaspore. Second option is embryo sac. Third option is ovule, and fourth option is ovary. The right answer is embryo sac. Embryo sac is the right answer, and it is the female gametophyte. Okay. And for more reference, you can see the page number NCERT Biology for class 12 25. Okay. Next question. Which statement is or are true? First statement, when embryo sac is originated from single megaspore is called monosporic. Option second statement, egg cell and two synergids make antipodal apparatus. Third statement, typical angiosperm embryo sac contain 8 nuclei and 7 cells. So guys, what is or are the right statement or statements? Okay. The right option, what is the right option? There are 4 options. So guys, what is the right option? You have to choose. The right option is first and third statements are true. So guys, what are the first statement and third statement? When embryo sac is originated from single megaspore is called monosporic. It is right option. But egg cell and two synergids make not antipodal apparatus. It will be egg apparatus. It will be egg apparatus. Typical angiosperm embryo sac contain 8 nuclei and 7 cells. It is the right option or right statement. Okay guys, you have understood it? Okay. Okay guys, have you understood? Okay, thanks. For more reference, you can see the NCERT Biology for class 12 page number 27. The next question, question number 8. In flowers, pollen grains are light, non-sticky, stigma are feathery, and anthers are versatile. These characters shows flowers are anemophily, means the pollen grains are transmitted by air. Hydrophily, pollen grains are transmitted by water. Entomophily, the carrier of pollen grains are insects. And option D, ornithophily. Here, the carrier of pollen grains is bird. Okay. So, what is the right option? Guys, what is the right option? Right option is anemophily. Because in case of anemophily, the flowers are very small and their pollen grains are light. The pollen grains are light, non-sticky, and stigma are bifeathery, and anthers are versatile. These characters will match with anemophily. Okay, this is the right option. For more reference, you can see the NCERT Biology class 12 page number 29. Next question is, what is false? Very, very important. The question is false. Option A, distribution of bryophytes and pteridophytes are limited because of the need for water for their transport of male gametes and fertilization. It is right option or it is right step. Option B, marine hydrophily seagrass is Zostera. It is also right. Option C, pollen grain of hydrophily plant is covered by mucilages. It is also right. Option D, water hyacinth and water lily are hydrophilic. It is wrong answer because water hyacinth and water lily are pollinated by insect. Okay, so option D is wrong or option D is false. So right answer is option D. Guys, have you understood? Okay. For more reference, you can see the NCERT Biology class 12 page number 29. Okay. Question number 10. Self-pollination promotes option A, self-incompatibility, option B, inbreeding depression, option C, variation, option D, all of these. What is the right answer, guys? Right answer is inbreeding depression. Due to self-pollination, inbreeding depression is occurred. Okay. So more reference, you can see the page number 31 NCERT Biology for class 12. Okay. Next question, question number 11. Filiform apparatus helps to option A, guide pollen tube entry, option B, ovum formation, option C, endospore formation, option D, double fertilization. So what is the right answer, guys? Right answer is guide pollen tube entry. Option A is the right answer. Okay. The page number for more reference, you can see the NCERT Biology for class 12, 33 page number. Okay. For more reference and for more details, you can see the page number 33. Okay. The next question, question number 12, embryogenesis. There are some sequence in option and you have to find the right sequence and you have to choose the right answer. Okay. First option, pro-embryo, globular form, heart-shaped form, mature embryo. Option B, pro-embryo, heart-shaped structure, globular form, mature embryo. Option C, heart-shaped, globular form, pro-embryo and mature embryo. Option D, globular form, heart-shaped form, pro-embryo and mature embryo. What is the right answer, guys? What is the right sequence? Right sequence is pro-embryo, globular form, heart-shaped form and mature embryo. Okay. And for more update and for more details, you can see the NCERT Biology for class 12 page number 35. The next question, question number 13. Here, seeds of Lupins atticus can viable for option A for 5 years, option B for 7 years, option C for 10 years, option D for 10,000 years. What is the right answer? Right answer is 10,000 years. So amazing. Okay, guys? So amazing. And for more reference, you can see the NCERT Biology for class 12, page number 38. Okay. The next question, question number 14. Asteraceae and Poaceae grasses develop seeds without fertilization. Asteraceae and Poaceae, Poaceae means grass, develop seeds without fertilization. This phenomenon is called first option parthenocarpy, second option parthenogenesis, third option apomixis and fourth option polyembryony. What is the right answer, guys? Okay, thanks. The right answer is apomixis. Right answer is apomixis. Okay, it is very important questions for NEET biology. Okay, for more reference, you can see the page number 39 NCERT Biology for class 12. Okay. Next question, question number 15, and it is the last question in this video. The last question is water of tender coconut and white kernel of coconut are Option A, cellular endosperm and free nuclear endosperm. Option B, free nuclear endosperm and cellular endosperm. Option C, free nuclear endosperm. Option D, cellular endosperm. What is the right answer, guys? Right answer is water of tender coconut is free nuclear endosperm and white kernel of coconut is cellular endosperm. Okay, guys, and for more reference, you can see the page number 35, NCERT Biology, class 12. Okay, these are the questions, most predicted questions for NEET Biology for this year. You have to see this video. Best of luck. Thank you so much. Best of luck. And I also request you to share this video with your friends, and also I will request to subscribe this video. All students and teachers, many thanks to watching my video.